Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Ludo King. To block someone on Ludo King, first of all, open the Ludo King app open on your device and log in if required. After you're signed into the main homepage of Ludo King, go ahead and tap on the social button at the bottom. Inside the social button, make sure you're inside the chats tab. All of your friends that you've added on Ludo King will be displayed on the page. Select one of the friends that you'd like to block from the list and tap on their chat thread or their profile picture. Now, once you see their profile picture on the page, tap on the exclamatory icon in blue at the top right and then click on the block button. Now, you have two options displayed on the screen. If you want to delete the contact, you can tap on the delete box, whereas if you'd like to report the person, you can tap on report. If you just want to block the contact, tap on block in green at the bottom. Confirm that you'd like to block by tapping yes in the pop-up, and that's how you easily block a player or a contact in Ludo King. The user will no longer be able to send you invites, messages, or play with you. That is how you easily block someone on Ludo King. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more Ludo King tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.